This is my cat, and we're training her to walk on a leash, and she's absolutely loving it. It's a beautiful summer day, so let's see if she walks for you guys. She's doing really good. This is only her second time out, and the first time she was pulling on it and like wanting to run with it, but now she's walking more slowly. If she'll walk for you guys. We got this leash at PetSmart. Do you remember what we paid for it?
20 maybe?
Yeah, you had to buy the harness for the cat, and then you had to buy the leash separately. So I think they were probably $10 a piece. If I can find a link, I will put it in the description box below.
For all the poison ivy is and stuff.
Oh, can't go over there. Come on, I go back this way.
Minnie's tired, that's it. See if she'll run.
What do you think? You like the leash? Huh? You like it?
Do you like that she likes the leash?
I like this. She likes the leash.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, yeah.